Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the battery F125 updated unit, plus the essential tools, insulated gloves, a multimeter, small Phillips, and a torque wrench. Once you verify the firmware label, make sure the workspace is dry and ventilated, with a 0.5-meter clear zone and a fire extinguisher within reach. First actionable step: disconnect any loads and switch the battery to service mode. This prevents voltage spikes and allows safe access to terminals. Once the panel is removed, you inspect the internal layout and wiring carefully. Look for swelling, corrosion, or loose connectors, because these are common failure points. Then you measure each cell voltage and internal resistance with a calibrated multimeter, recording values for comparison. Make sure to label any disconnected wires, and if you find a single cell below threshold, isolate it. Replacing one weak cell prevents cascade failures. Remember why? Consistent cell health ensures reliable pack performance and longer service life. After repairs or inspections, you reconnect terminals in the correct sequence and torque fasteners to the manufacturer specification, then close the panel securely. Next, run a controlled charge and a short discharge while monitoring temperature and voltage trends to verify stability. Once the cycle is clean, return the unit to normal operation. If you encounter an error code or abnormal heating, stop immediately. Recheck wiring, swap the suspect cell, and consult the recorded log for anomalies, because quick troubleshooting prevents bigger damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.